Hmm? Okay, so this is the structure of losses of generator. Okay, you know that our generator, at first our generator is the mechanical part. Okay, uh, at first, sorry, maybe this. So this is the total loss. You know that our generator are this our generator. Mm, these are three parts. Generator at first, this is the armature part, this is the mechanical part. Okay, at first the movement, the armature, are then electromotive force, develop the electromotive force, then our power developed. Okay, so this part is mechanical part, and also this part is magnetic part. Okay, this part mechanical part, and also this part is magnetic part, magnetic flux. Okay, Eh, then this flux is cut, then power developed. So this part is mechanical, magnetic, and also this part is electrical part. Okay, clear? So three parts including our generator. So our losses are three types: electrical loss, mechanical loss, and magnetic loss. All are clear? Response, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone must be all-time response. Okay. Ms.
Okay, sir.
Abdullah,
Okay, sir.
and another Somalian, another student, Somalian. Who this person?
Okay.
Just
Sir, some
response.
of them they are not problem.
Sorry.
Some of them they have some problem of net.
No problem.
Yeah.
So anyone just response, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you
Okay,
not
sir.
understand, then must be responses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But please repeat, or sir, this topic is problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, this class is boring. Okay. All are silent, then only one person is just talking slowly. Okay. So this is the boring.
هذاك دو جلاس كده وشيء أنا حسكيجي.
Okay. So our three types of losses: at first electrical loss, then mechanical loss, and magnetic loss. Okay. So electrical part, you know that our electrical part, this is the armature part. Losses means must be power loss. Okay, all losses means power. So our armature part, armature part losses means armature loss. Armature loss means Ia square Ra. Okay, and
Plus
sorry. Okay, so Ia square Ra. Loss means power. Power means P is equal to
V square.
VI. V means I R, and this is the I. So this means I square R. Okay. So this
Okay.
called power. Okay. So power means I square R. So armature power means armature current square into armature
R
resistance.
into
Okay. So this called armature power.
power.
So this loss means armature power loss. Okay. And
Yeah.
another, this is the electrical loss. Electrical loss. Another loss is our series loss. Okay, series resistance loss means IAC square RAC. Clear? And another, our shunt loss. Shunt loss ISH square RS. Okay, so these the three losses. This called electrical loss. Also, this called iron loss. Sorry, copper loss. This called copper loss. Okay, and power means P, and loss power means W. Okay, loss power means W, and regular power means P. Okay, this is the loss power. Loss power W. So W Cu means copper. Okay, so this is the copper loss. Okay, so copper loss are three parts: armature copper loss, shunt copper loss, and series copper loss.
Serious copper loss.
Armature copper loss means Ia square Ra, shunt copper loss ISH square RSH, series IAC square RAC. Okay,
Okay.
clear this? And now this is the magnetic loss. Magnetic loss are magnetic loss are two types. At first, this name is hysteresis loss, and another name is AD current loss.
Again,
Okay,
sir.
hysteresis loss and AD current loss. This hysteresis loss.
Yes.
Okay, this is the hysteresis loss and AD current loss.
AD
This
current
called
loss.
iron loss.
Iron
loss.
losses.
Another name is magnetic loss. Okay, iron loss. Another name magnetic loss.
Magnetic loss.
Okay, and copper loss. Another name is electrical loss. This is the electrical loss, and this is the magnetic loss. Magnetic loss. Another name iron loss. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the iron loss. Iron loss are two types: hysteresis loss and AD current loss. Hysteresis loss, this is the, you know that our this your north pole and this is the south pole. Okay, so this is the electric field. Okay, you know that this is the electric field. Okay, north and south pole. But if the iron iron loss, this is the electric field, this is the electron. Okay, all are electron. This the negative, 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 and this is the positive ions. Okay, positive.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so this, if this is the electric field north pole to south pole just transfer, but this the barricade.
depletion region.
Okay, this is the barricade. Okay, barrier. This is the barrier. So if this barrier and this the all time movement. Okay, this barrier all time movement, this barrier. So all time movement, then our electric field will be north pole to south pole. This is the barrier. Okay, if this barrier, then and this all are heating. Okay, all part is heating. All electric ion, this ion all are heating. If this heating, then this position is resistive loss. Okay, some resistive loss. This resistive loss called hysteresis
Total
loss.
loss.
Hysteresis loss, not total loss. Hysteresis loss. Okay.
Okay, so
And-
you mean that this barrier creates the, whatever the current is, right?
Yes. This this barrier, this current flow, this ion transferring barrier. Okay. Then this part is this all ion is heating. If this
And it
ion
creates
all
by
are
its
heating,
movement.
all are heating, then this part is must be temperature. If this temper this ion, then this position is must be resistive drop. Okay, so this called hysteresis loss. Okay, all are clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
uh, just this the and this also, this the electron flow. Okay, this the electron flow. This is the hysteresis loss, and also this is the eddy current loss. Eddy current loss, this part is movement, then also this part is current loss. This called eddy current loss. Okay, electron flow, then this part is current loss. This called eddy current loss. Okay, this electron movement north to south, then south to north. This all are movement. Then this part is heating. Okay, running this ion. Okay, all ion is running. Okay, then this position is another loss. This called eddy current loss. So these both are magnetic. Both are magnetic loss. Electric eddy current loss and hysteresis loss. Hey, Hasna, okay, so this called hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. Another loss is mechanical loss. Mechanical loss, this part is our magnetic field. Okay, our 1 minute. This suppose this part our system is running. Okay, if running, then this is the friction. Okay, this the trust, this iron and this iron trust, then friction. Okay, this friction, and then this part is loss. This called friction loss. Okay, this part is friction loss. And windows loss. Windows loss means wind loss. Air gap, air movement, then needed the yard. Okay, this position is yard, then this loss is ear loss, ear gap. Okay, so these are the windows loss, or this is the windows loss and friction loss. So these both are mechanical loss. So mechanical loss, this is the magnetic loss. Also, this name is iron loss, or
loss.
another name is core loss. Core. This iron loss, another name core loss.
For
Core, C-O-R-E, core. Okay.
yes, CORE. Yes, core
Yes,
loss.
core loss. Core
Yes.
loss, iron loss, or magnetic loss.
Yes,
And
magnetic.
this the
Electric-
copper loss or electrical
Electrical
loss.
loss. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
إدريس محو كودا iron loss معناها مقاعي بدن مو ليه.
Iron
iron
loss
loss
ده
means
مقع
core loss, magnetic
magnetic
loss,
loss.
magnetic
core
loss.
loss. هذا مقع قالوا ليه.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So
Copper
now
loss,
these are
electric loss only kram ya.
copper loss
copper loss, this is the
electrical loss.
copper loss.
Yes.
Okay. So now
Yes, sir.
this another name. This the these three losses name is total loss. Total loss means
These
total
generators.
copper loss, total iron loss, and total mechanical loss.
Mechanical.
Okay, this copper loss
Yes,
of
sir.
3 types. This suppose this loss 5 watt. This is the 5 watt. This is the 5 watt. Also this is the 5 watt, or this is the 2 watt, 2 watt. This suppose 10 watt. This suppose 5 watt. So total is the total loss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now another name. Now our new name is Easter loss. Easter loss is the very simple iron loss plus mechanical loss. Iron loss plus mechanical loss, both are another name magnetic loss and mechanical loss. Both are combinedly named Easter loss.
Combining together, sir. You mean
Combined name. Okay, both are combined name is Easter loss.
Yeah.
Easter loss means magnetic and mechanical loss, collectively known as Easter loss. Okay, magnetic and mechanical. Magnetic means
Mechanical.
iron. Magnetic means iron. So iron loss and mechanical loss, both are combined name is Easter loss. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And now another is the constant. Constant means fixed loss. Fixed loss. Our mechanical loss is fixed. Our hysteresis loss, eddy current loss. Our at first you are new design generator. So new design generator all are already developed. So developed generator is fixed iron loss and fixed mechanical loss. But shunt coil also including your generator. This is the shunt generator, or you are design compound generator, long shunt generator. So must be short shunt, shunt and series loss. Okay, so these all are fixed. Suppose this your generator. This your generator. This the suppose long shunt generator. Okay, long shunt generator. So this part is magnetic part. So magnetic fixed. Okay, fixed. Then magnetic fixed, mechanical part also fixed. Mechanical also fixed. This the series generator. Series coil. This series coil is fixed. So this loss is fixed. Okay, fixed. Also this shunt coil is this fixed. So this is the fixed. But your armature power developed depend on your armature movement. Okay, armature movement. If your movement is speedily movement, then developed power also must be high. Your movement is slow, then develop slow. So this only Ia square Ra, this is the variable. This power, armature loss. Okay, armature loss, this is the variable loss. And all losses is okay, all losses is fixed loss. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
So these two are combinedly name is stray loss. Clear? And
Yes, sir.
these two means stray plus this series and shunt loss. Okay, clear? Series,
With the except armature, sir.
shunt. Total is constant loss. Clear? Only this armature loss is variable loss. Okay, this loss is variable loss. Clear? All are clear? Stray loss
Yes, sir.
means
Yes, sir.
iron and mechanical. Iron means magnetic and mechanical. Both are name. New name is stray loss. And
Three losses.
and constant loss, these both plus shunt series, all losses is constant, fixed. But
Fixed,
only this armature loss is not
variable.
fixed. Armature loss not fixed. This is the variable, changeable
Yes.
loss. Okay, this loss is depend on your rotation. Okay, depend on your rotation, armature loss. Okay, so armature loss is variable loss, but all are constant loss. Okay, constant loss. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now this is the constant. This the constant loss. Okay, WC. So this is the this total loss means armature loss and constant loss. Okay, total loss means this is the armature loss. Armature loss means variable loss. So total loss is equal to armature loss. Okay, armature loss plus constant loss.
Constant loss.
Okay, armature loss, another name is variable loss. Variable loss. So variable loss plus constant loss.
Yes,
Okay,
fixed. Yes, sir.
variable loss plus constant loss is equal to total loss.
Total
Okay,
loss.
all are clear?
ADC. Yes, sir.
And now constant loss means these are series loss, shunt loss, armature iron loss and mechanical loss. Or and another stray loss means iron and mechanical loss. So all are clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. So now our new part. This is the power stage. Okay, this is the variable loss plus constant loss is equal to total loss. Okay, now this is the very important point, power stage diagram. This is called power stage diagram. Okay, this part name, this the mistake. This part name is A, and this part name is B, and this part name is C. Okay, so you just thinking this, our generator at first part is needed the rotation, okay, rotate our commutator, okay, rotate our armature part, commutator part rotation. If need rotation, so must be we need the fuel energy, okay, we need the fuel, diesel or mobile or sorry petrol, okay, need the fuel, must be needed the fuel, then our part is rotate, or needed the suppose was wind turbine rotation, so must be need the window, okay, must be need wind, or suppose our hydro power plant, hydro power plant means water power plant, so water power plant must be needed this turbine, okay, this turbine, and then throw the water this fan, okay, then this fan rotate, then throw this fan, then rotate, then throw this fan, so our water throw, then our system is rotate, okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
Or our steam turbine, this our steam throw our turbine part, okay, our fan part steam just forces, okay, this point is forces, then this the turbine is rotate, then turbine rotate, then power develop. So must be needed the rotation, our armature means our commutator, armature or our turbine, okay. So this called mechanical power input, okay, this called mechanical power input or output of driving engine, okay, output of driving
An
engine,
engine.
okay.
Okay.
Small motor, this is the first part, the rotate our turbine, needed the turbine rotation, okay. So this called mechanical power input or output of driving engine. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
So now this name, this mechanical power input or output of driving engine, this means is this to transfer, this means BHP, brake horsepower, BHP, brake horsepower. This brake horsepower or means 3 horse, our motor name 3 horse motor, okay, 3 horsepower motor or 5 horsepower motor, okay. This means BHP means brake horsepower, to convert our electric power, this is the BHP into 746.46, okay, you know that this value
Yeah, 746.
746.46 multiplying the horsepower. Suppose your motor is 3 horsepower, so 3
What is the
into
abbreviation of BHB?
746.46, then this is the watt power is equal to this watt, okay.
What is the what is the abbreviation of BHB?
BHP, brake horsepower, okay, our
Break
motor
our
horsepower, okay, horse, you know that horse,
yes, sir.
horse,
Horse means horse.
Horse first में ऐसे हुआ. Yes, sir. Yes. Horse. Yes, sir. We know that.
this is the horse, okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the horse. So brake horsepower, okay,
Yes.
horsepower,
Yes, sir.
Arabian horsepower, our all motor design the horsepower, Arabian horse, worldwide best horse, this is the Arabian horse, okay. So Arabian
Even
horse,
Somalian, yes, even Somalia we have a horse.
yes. So
These are
the
traditional.
Arabian horse is the best horse, okay. So
Okay.
this our motor design the horsepower. This called the brake horsepower. So brake horsepower to convert power watt. So multiplying horsepower to horsepower into 746.46. Then this result is power. Now this
Yes.
result is power. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes.
it means it's so much, speed.
Sorry.
In this generator, it's so much, it has a lot of speed, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, so this part another name BHP
BHP.
into this the power value. All are power, so power value BHP into 746.46.
746.46. Yes.
Okay, and
Sir.
now this is the mechanical part. So mechanical part to our transfer this mechanical part at first rotation our turbine, then our electrical part is developed, armature part, then armature power developed. You know that armature, this is the armature part. So this is the armature current, and this is the power developed, this line current. Armature current means this line current. Okay, this point to this line current. Suppose this is the shunt generator. So this point, all this line is current same. This current is armature current.
Same.
And
Yeah.
this is the power. This power is EG, developed power. Sorry, developed voltage, generative voltage. Okay, EG means generative voltage. So this point, this armature part, power means P is equal to VI.
VI.
V means EG,
IR.
easy.
No,
V means
EG.
easy. Developed voltage, easy. Generative voltage. Generative voltage into current, armature current. Okay. So this
Sir.
called armature power, electric power developed in armature. This part EGI, watt. This also watt. Okay. Now mechanical part to the armature part. These are two losses. This is the iron and friction loss. Iron and friction loss means magnetic loss, and friction loss means mechanical loss. So this part is two losses: iron and magnetic and mechanical.
Mechanical.
Two losses. Okay, these two losses. Another name is Stray loss.
Yes, stray loss.
Sir.
Stray loss. So this mechanical part to electrical power developed in armature. This part is two losses: iron and friction loss, called stray loss. Okay, this part
Yes,
to
sir.
this part. Suppose your power developed this part, this driving engine driving in the rotation, then this part is power. Suppose 1000 watt. Okay, then this part to this part is armature power developed. Flux cut, then armature power developed. This part is suppose developed 800 watt. So iron and friction loss 200. Okay.
Yes.
This your driving engine mechanical power input. Okay. Then this part is power developed 800 watt. So this part is losses must be 200. Okay. Or this the 800, then 200, then this part is 1000. Clear? Then this mechanical part. So this is the magnetic part. Magnetic part to transfer our electrical part. This is the load. This part is load. So electric power output. This part is our final output. Okay.
Yes.
But
Yes,
this
sir.
part, through this part, this is the mechanical loss. Sorry, electrical loss. This also suppose this is the electrical coil. So this part is another electrical loss. Or suppose they added this coil, so another electrical loss. So this loss. This is the electrical loss. Electrical loss, another name is copper loss. So this part to this part copper loss, then this power, this your output power, this load power. Load power, suppose load power 700. So copper loss 100.
Yes, you mean in
Okay.
copper loss.
So your driving engine developed 1000 and your output
1000,
is
yes.
700.
700.
So total loss 300.
300.
300.
Yes.
300 is your total loss.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is the very interesting and important part. Our input, our forces, then input, your input power this, but your output power this. So 300 is your loss. Okay. So efficiency, you know that efficiency,
Sorry, sir.
efficiency.
Yes.
Your
Efficient.
efficiency. Your efficiency means your input power and your output power calculation. Sorry, 1 minute. One minute. হ্যাঁ, রাজু কেমন আছেন? ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। জি স্যার।
Idrisu,
Also,
746.46 ka kiyo ka wada miya power ka wada.
باور قانون معناها بي اتش بي جاي ترى بي اتش بي جاي وحقول فني
ترى أقول فني.
أقول فني ها
Wixii ku soo baxay waxay naqanay
ايرون لاس فريكشن كمان
iron locks.
هذا فيرا ان وانتو سو سو قاتي بي اتش بي جاي oo lagu dhigtay maxaa la tiradan 746.6
Ku soo baxday markii waxa la imaaday iron fraction markii la imaaday
ستري لوس كان معناها waxa baa ku haray waano in wide باور ku haray meesha
kadib 800 la imaaday wuxuu qasaaray 200 oo qasaaray.
200 meesha ku hartay 800 gudbayso markii
marka oo kii imaaday hadana
كوبر لوس كان الكتريكال لوس
markuu imaaday qolaa ka dhuntay saas waxa ku qasaaray
kadib marka output ka 700 isku darka 700
200 waa
Okay, all are silent. All are silent, please. Now, so efficiency means efficiency unit eta. Okay, like us, this is the efficiency. Okay, efficiency means output by input. Okay, into 100. 100 means percentage of efficiency.
percentage sir percentage
Percentage of efficiency.
Yes.
Suppose your input power.
700 no
No,
1000
suppose your efficiency. Calculate your efficiency. Your efficiency, your input reading capacity. Okay, input and output. Your input and output. Input suppose 100, then not your 100. Your marks is 90. Okay, so efficiency into 100.
yes
100.
This
So
will be
90%. Your efficiency is 90%. Okay.
yes
So
Yes, sir.
this your power. Generator efficiency. Calculate your generator efficiency. Generator efficiency. Your output 700 and input
divided by 1000
into 100. Okay. So
1 2
70%. This efficiency is 70%. This generator efficiency is 70%.
70% sir
70% efficiency. But
yes.
but suppose your developed generator efficiency 70%, and so this not market rating. Our market the maximum generator are 95% efficiency. Okay, 95 up of 95 efficiency, 95, 97, 98% efficiency. Okay, but your efficiency is 70%. So this not good generator. If your efficiency 100%, then your generator is good. Okay, input and output same, then your generator is good generator.
good generator.
Okay, but if your efficiency decrease, then generator must be
Increase.
generator not good generator. Okay, this is the bad generator. Okay, so
Again,
our
sir.
develop, yes,
Again.
your good or best generator means efficiency 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, best best generator. Okay, but your generator, your developed generator, suppose 70% efficiency, so not the best generator of your market. Okay, our market best generator 98% efficiency, 99% efficiency. Okay, but
Okay.
this how can possible 98% efficiency? Must be these losses must be including these losses, total 5 or 6 losses. Okay,
Okay.
major loss 3, but our major loss 3, but our losses, how many losses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses. Okay, so how can possible 7 losses but your efficiency 98%? This is very interesting. Okay, another part. Okay, this part complete. Next part. Today our another part is our efficiency is 3 types. 3 types of efficiency. Okay, generator efficiency 3 types. Okay, all clear? Generator efficiency, how
Yes,
many
sir.
types?
Yes, sir.
3 types, sir.
3 types.
3 types of efficiency. First efficiency name is mechanical efficiency.
Mechanical.
Mechanical
Efficiency.
efficiency, electrical efficiency, and overall efficiency. Mechanical efficiency.
The
This
third one.
part
Sir,
your
again, third one.
mechanical part. Wait. This part your mechanical part. This is the mechanical and this is the electrical part. So this part your mechanical part. This 2 is your mechanical part. Okay, and this 2 your electrical part. Okay, so mechanical efficiency means eta. This is the efficiency. Okay, symbol of efficiency eta. This A means mechanical. So mechanical efficiency means this is the mechanical output and this is the mechanical input. You know that efficiency means output by input. Okay, so this mechanical part, this is the mechanical output, and this is the mechanical input, and this is the loss. Okay, so our mechanical efficiency means B by A. Okay, all are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So B means
Yes, sir.
easy IA,
IA,
and
yes.
A means BHP into 746.
746, 146.
146.
What?
Okay, so into 100. This is the efficiency of percentage.
Efficient of mechanicals.
Percentage of efficiency, mechanical. And electrical efficiency, calculate the electrical efficiency. Electrical efficiency, percentage of electrical efficiency, C by B. This is the C part, this is the output, and this is the input. Okay, and this is the loss. So C by B. C means DI, load voltage. Okay, supply voltage. DI by GI
إذا فاهم قصوى
into
يتابع
100.
شو جستله.
Okay, and this the overall efficiency of generator or commercial efficiency. Commercial or overall efficiency. Overall efficiency means this is the overall input and this is the overall output. Okay, this is the main input and this is the main output. So overall or commercial efficiency. C means commercial or O means overall. Okay, yeah, we use C, no problem. Percentage of C means
Commercial
C by
efficiency.
C by A. Commercial efficiency means C by
A.
C means VI
VI.
and
Load voltage.
HP,
Load power.
into 7.
Time is 746 per 6. 1 per 6.
Okay, into 100. This called commercial or overall efficiency. Okay, all are clear? This is the mechanical efficiency,
Yes, sir.
electrical efficiency, and this is the overall efficiency or commercial efficiency. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So this is the mechanical efficiency. Okay. This not clear. The mechanical power supplied. Mechanical power supplied means output of driving engine means BHP. BHP into 7.746. Okay. This is the height hidden. Okay. No problem. And this is the electrical efficiency C by B. This is the C and B. C by B means VI by EGI and overall of commercial efficiency. Okay. This is the C by A. Okay. C by A. Clear? All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For good generator, its value may be at high as 95%. If 95%, then your generator is good. Less than 95%, then your generator is not good. Okay. So this your another very important topics. Today I not complete these topics. This is our next topics. Okay, next the topics. This condition for maximum efficiency. How can possible the maximum efficiency, 100% efficiency possible? Must be possible 100% efficiency. Our loss, all losses is zero. Okay. Our all losses is zero. Clear? How can possible? This is the formula. This formula we use next day. Okay.
Inshallah.
Today we are using the we are complete the one math. Okay. This our math. We are solving this math. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If we are complete the math, then our brain is sharp. Okay. So this is your question. Now we are solved this question. A shunt generator. Shunt generator means must be designed on
So the shunt,
electrical circuit.
yes, this is shunt. These are major. There is a shunt
These are-
fill.
This is the
Yes,
shunt.
and also load, sir. Load.
And this is the load.
Yes.
Load. Then this arrow is the upper side. This is the
IA, RA,
and this is
EG.
the
Yes.
This is the
IL, VL,
and
I shunt,
I shunt,
R shunt,
and
VL. Yes.
VL.
so IA is equal to
I shunt plus IL plus
IA,
IL.
so
EG,
is equal to
IA, RA plus VL.
that's good.
Yes.
So now our question, next question. A shunt generator delivers 195 ampere.
IL, sir.
195
Yes. Yes.
at terminal potential difference. Potential difference means
It's
voltage.
voltage. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, sir. 250.
the armature resistance and shunt field resistance. So first, this is the armature
0.02. RA.
RA 0.02
0.02.
and RA this is the 50.
This will be 50. Yes. Yes, sir.
The iron and friction loss. Iron and friction loss is equal to
It's trail loss. You mean, sir?
Histo loss. So Histo loss is equal to 900.
950. I'm
So-
51, sir.
Stray is equal to
950 watt.
950 watt.
Yes.
Okay. Now we
Yes.
calculate 4 part. Okay. At first, EMF,
EG.
EG,
Yes.
and copper loss. Now copper loss. Then output of prime motor. Output of prime motor. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
commercial, mechanical, and electrical efficiency.
Efficiency. Okay.
Okay. So
Yes,
at first, finish the easy. Okay.
Okay.
So easy means this is the very simple. You need the IA. So IA means need must be ISS and IL. is present, but ISH is equal to, you know that ISH is equal to VSH by RSH.
Yes. Yes.
VSH means 250
Barrel to VL, sir.
parallel,
To VL.
and RSH is
50.
so this called 5 length.
5.
So I is equal to 200.
Yes, 200.
I is equal to 195 plus 5.
5. This will be 200. Yes.
So these are 200 into 0.02. Okay, plus 50. So this is equal to,
254, sir.
sorry,
254. 254.
this is the 4. Okay,
Yes.
250.
54. Voltage.
Okay, so this part is finished. Now, copper loss. Copper loss. So, our power stage diagram, we need the power stage diagram. Our 3-stage diagram, okay? Okay, this part is our prime mover, this is the EGIA, and this is the VI.
VI,
Okay?
yes.
And this is
Yes.
the copper loss. Okay, copper loss. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
if you calculate the EGIA and you calculate the VI, then EGIA minus VI, then must be this the copper loss. So copper loss is equal to EGIA minus VI. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the EGIA power, armature power, and this is the load power, and this your copper loss. So this suppose this your 500 and this suppose 200. So copper loss is 300. Okay, 500 minus 200. So now your calculation, EGI copper loss is equal to WC
800,
copper
sir.
loss. Copper loss is equal to EGI. EG means
EG, sir, 254.
254 into I
Time
is
is
equal to
200, sir. 200.
200
Yes.
minus V is equal to
250, sir. 250.
250 into
Time
195.
is
Okay, so copper loss is equal to copper loss is equal to
sir 50,000. 50,745. 50.
15,000
50,750, sir.
50
745.
745
745.
745
Yes.
copper loss 50745. At what? No. 250. 254 into 200. 50800 minus minus 250 into 195. This is wrong. Two thousand 50. This is wrong. 2050. 2050. This 254 into 200. Okay. This means
Sir, 2050.
2050. Okay. This value 5,800. Okay, minus this. Okay. 250 into 190. This is the 848. 48,700. Okay, so this your copper loss 2050. This your copper loss. So copper loss is complete. Now output of the prime motor. Output of prime motor means output of the driving engine or input of the mechanical power. This value. How's the value? You know that this point is 950 still loss. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this input means total this 950 plus EGIA plus copper loss plus VI. Okay? Or oh, sorry, no. This means only this 950 and EGI. This minus this is equal to this minus this is equal to this. Okay, so output of prime motor. Okay, output of prime motor output of prime motor is equal to EGIA plus still loss. Okay, so EGIA is equal to this 500 50800. Okay, this value, this is the EGIA, and still loss is equal to 950.
50.
Okay, so this your 0, 5. This what? Okay.
51750. What?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this part complete. This part 517501. And copper loss is the 2051. Okay. And this is equal to 254 volt. Okay. Now electrical efficiency, mechanical efficiency, and commercial efficiency. So you know that electrical efficiency means efficiency of electrical efficiency is equal to output means VI. This is the VI. VI means this. This your output. Okay, all are clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So electrical efficiency means C by, you know that C by V. C means VI.
Yes.
By B means EG
times
EGI into 100. So VI is equal to 48,750. Okay, by EG is equal to 50,800 into 100. So this is your electrical efficiency. Then mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency means this value. This value is 51,750. Okay. So mechanical efficiency of mechanical efficiency is direct. Okay, 51,750 by this value is 500, so 5800. Okay, into 100. This is the percentage. Okay, all are clear.
Yeah.
And overall
Yes.
efficiency,
Yes, sir.
overall or commercial efficiency, C by A. So C is equal to VI. So VI is equal to, this is the 48, 750. And I is equal to, A is equal to 51, 250. Okay, in 100. Okay, this is the percentage of commercial efficiency. So these three, this. Okay, so all are complete this work. Okay, this is your home task. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and 26.25 also your home task. Okay, this already complete this part. This design another way, but your way is very, you are using easy technique, then your all system is very simple. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just using the formula, then step by step your result must be correct if your thinking is correct. Okay, so very simple thinking and must be study your question part by part. This is the shunt generator. So shunt generator equation this. Okay, then this part is complete. Copper loss. So you know that this your power stage diagram. So this your copper loss. This is the output and this is the input. This is the copper loss. Okay, so if you need this value and this value, so this value and this value minus, then this is the copper loss. So very simple. Output of prime motor. Output of prime motor means this is the input of driving engine. Okay, so this part. So this part means this plus this part iron and friction loss. This iron and friction loss is equal to this. Okay. So, and now this is the commercial, electrical and mechanical efficiency. So this is the efficiency output by input into 100. All part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today our class. Okay. Sorry. Now roll call.